therefore, you are sitting in that meeting where you hatched a plan to arrest me, disqualifies you from sanctioning charges against me because you are conflicted. I also brought that matter to the attention of the court. I'm not just talking about conspiracy. I'm going to prove conspiracy in court. Others just spoke about it. I'm telling you the facts. They met in a building opposite Parliament in Cape Town on the 13th of September on the 8th floor. And I know who was there. Minister Jeff Radebe, when he was asked about that meeting and whether Julius was discussed or not, he did not deny it. He said yes, but Julius' name was not brought by us politicians, it was brought by the administrators. But he agrees that I was a part of political discussions in my absence, plotting to assassinate me and my character. And Jiba, when she was asked about that meeting, instead of confirming or denying a presence, she referred the inquiries to the minister.